Heavy rainfall that has been reported out of Mumbai. In a matter of 6 hours, it's rained about 300 millimeters, which has led to severe waterlogging in various parts of the financial capital. Mumbai suburban and harbour line trains have been delayed. So whether it's a road or rail traffic that has been impacted, air traffic could be impacted as well, as from what we're hearing, which is why Vistara and Indigo have put out an advisory on X asking their commuters to keep in mind that it could take longer for them to reach the airport. There could be delays on account of the rainfall, and that's what they need to keep in mind before leaving their home. They need to keep a tab as far as the flight status is concerned before heading to the airport. Is a word of advisory that's been put out by the Indigo Airlines as well as Vistara, also asking their passengers to keep in mind a buffer when it comes to the time that might be required in order to get to the airport. So, of course, this is the situation on the ground. We have my colleague Radhika joining us. Radhika, when we talk about the Mumbai situation, it is, considering the fact that it rained about 300 millimeters in a matter of just 6 hours. That's the kind of rainfall that's usually received over 30 days. Take us through the impact of that this morning, given the fact that it's Monday morning and everyone is in a rush to get to, especially their offices. Of course, we do know that schools have been shut down on account of the rain today.
That's right. Morning schools have been shut down by the BMC. Of course, BMC is sending out cautionary messages since morning, talking about waterlogged areas in Mumbai. Most of the areas that are waterlogged in Mumbai are in suburbs, especially areas like Andheri, Chembur, Sion. And as far as, the central part of Mumbai is concerned, some areas in Dadar and Parel have also witnessed waterlogging. I am, however, in Worli, where I haven't seen much of waterlogging since morning, but we will go to other areas in the suburbs and try to analyze the ground situation. But as far as rains now, thankfully it has subsided over the last several hours. That is from 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. As you mentioned, the city did record 300 mm rainfalls, and therefore it led to waterlogging in multiple areas, including several of the low-lying areas in the city. Now, as a result of it, train services have been impacted, especially the central services, not the western line. So, within central line, multiple trains have been delayed, at least 10 to 15 minute delay over the last couple of hours. And before that, there had been cancellations of many trains also because there was waterlogging on tracks. But now that waterlogging in multiple tracks, including Mulund, is subsiding. So therefore, train services, most of it have been restored. Now, traffic situation on road, in multiple areas in the city, traffic is bad. It is Monday morning, people are commuting to work. So as a result of the downpour and waterlogging in many areas, it is bad, but not so much in South Bombay. And as far as air traffic is concerned, yes, a lot of cautionary messages being sent by multiple airlines asking people to come much in advance to the airports. And when I did check with the Mumbai Airport PRO, she said that there are no considerable delays as such. There is some delay, but no cancellations is what they have told us so far. But we'll have to wait for some more time to get clarity on that. But at this point, the prediction is that there is going to be moderate to heavy rainfall throughout Monday. As of now, the rains have subsided, which is why waterlogging in many areas have subsided, and the train services are slowly getting restored. But we'll have to wait and see how it will play out. Of course, monsoons delayed in the city of Mumbai this time. It's only in the last couple of days that we did see heavy rains in the city. And as far as predictions are concerned, heavy rains predicted throughout Monday and in the next couple of weeks as well. And of course, as you've been mentioning since morning, yes, the city does come to a complete standstill when monsoons hit the city of Mumbai, and that's what was witnessed overnight as well.
Right, Radhika, of course, schools and colleges have been shut down on account of the rain situation there, and the government offices have also been ordered to remain shut. Of course, it's the BMC ordering the first session to be shut due to rain as well. And like you mentioned, some of the train services have resumed this morning, but at a restricted speed following a disruption due to the kind of heavy rainfall that has been reported. 300 millimeters of rainfall, that is the equivalent into the amount that it usually rains over 30 days in a span of just 6 hours. Radhika, take us through the kind of impact that we are seeing as far as Mumbai is concerned. This is a perennial problem. Why are no lessons learned? This is an issue that comes up every monsoon season.
That's right. No lessons learned. Rampant construction, and encroachments across the city of Mumbai is what is leading to a lot of issues when monsoons happen. And of course, BMC do talk about, monsoon preparedness. There are multiple pumping stations and pumps that have been set up over the last several years. And which is why areas like Hind Mata does not receive as much waterlogging, we don't witness as much waterlogging in Hind Mata like the previous years, yet we do see waterlogging. It's not that it's completely, it's not an end to waterlogging woes in Mumbai, although there have been multiple new pumping stations that have been set up. And BMC does talk about desilting work also that is carried out before monsoons. But every year this is what the city is witness to. One bit of shower, one, the pre-monsoon shower itself is enough for the city to sort of come to a standstill, be it in the form of local trains getting delayed or cancelled, be it in the form of massive traffic congestion, especially on Western Express Highway as well as Eastern Express Highway, and that leading to school closure, college closure, and of course the offices also shutting and encouraging its employees to work from home. This is something we've seen in the last few years, and that continues to happen. Of course, this time there had been a delay in monsoons. It's just over the last few days that it has been raining heavily, especially the last night rain of 300 mm was something that we didn't see in the last many days. From 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. is when it rained very, very strongly. But now, rains have subsided, so it could be some relief for commuters who've been traveling to work since the last couple of hours. But if it continues to rain as being predicted, then things will be difficult for people in Mumbai.
Right, Radhika, thank you so much for getting us all those details. And like Radhika was mentioning, that the showers have reduced from early this morning. Moderate showers are expected, is what the IMD has said. And of course, going forward between tomorrow and day after, light rain is what is expected in the financial capital. But let's just get your ground report from Kurla. My colleague Paris has all the details.
रात से हो रही बारिश के कारण मुंबई के अलग अलग इलाकों में जल जमाव की स्थिति उत्पन्न हो गई है। बीएमसी ने भारी बारिश को देखते हुए स्कूली बच्चों को छुट्टी भी दे दी है। वहीं अभी बारिश थम गई है, मगर अलग अलग इलाकों में जल जमाव अभी भी है। मुंबई का कुर्ला वेस्ट इलाका है, एलबीएस रोड है, जहां पर घुटनों तक पानी भर गया है। आप देख रहे हैं कि लोग किस तरीके से पानी से ही निकलने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर रिक्शा आप देख पा रहे हैं, लोग पानी में फंसे हुए हैं, इसी पानी से अपने काम पर जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मगर पानी जो है वो बढ़ता जा रहा है। यहाँ पर पिछले बीती रात से लगातार हो रही बारिश के कारण मुंबईकरों को काफी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। ऐसे में सवाल इस साल भी एक ही है कि क्या करोड़ों रुपए खर्च करने के बाद भी मुंबई में इस तरीके की स्थिति किस तरीके से उत्पन्न होती है? क्या ड्रेनेज सिस्टम जो है उसमें सुधार करना अनिवार्य है? क्योंकि हर साल बारिश में इसी तरीके की समस्या मुंबईकरों को देखनी पड़ती है और भुगतनी पड़ती है। अगर आप इस पूरे रास्ते को देखें तो पूरा रास्ता जलमग्न हो गया है। यहां से निकलना लोगों के लिए काफी मुश्किल हो गया है। गाड़ी के टायर जो है वो तक अंदर पानी में चले गए हैं। लोग पैदल ही आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। कितने लोगों की गाड़ियां जो हैं वो यहाँ बिगड़ गई हैं। लोग इस समय मुंबई में अपने दफ्तरों की ओर बढ़ते हैं और इस समय जब पानी भर जाता है तो लोगों को काफी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। मगर अभी के लिए बारिश जो है वो मुंबई में थम गई है, मगर आने वाले 3 घंटे में फोरकास्ट ये है कि बारिश जो है वो भारी हो सकती है मुंबई में।